Hello, dear students. Today we will take the another part of animal tissue, that is connective tissue. Connective tissue, it connects various tissues together in any organ. That means in our body it connects different types of tissues so that these tissues can be together. It helps us in binding. It binds the different types of tissues, supporting and supports different types of organs, tissues, and our body, and packing of organs. The organs, they are packed with the help of this connective tissue. Its cells can be loosely packed. The cells can be, that means they can be loosely packed or they can be very tightly packed. Large intercellular space, mostly all the types of connective tissue, they have large intercellular space. That means is the first cell, second cell, and between them there is the large intercellular space. Intercellular space filled with jelly matrix, and the substance which is present between the cells, it is a jelly matrix. It is a jelly substance or fluidy substance. The connective tissue is having the following types. Number one is areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue, it is that connective tissue which fills the space inside the organs. The organs have space between them, and that space is filled by areolar connective tissue. Supports internal organs. It supports the internal organs of your body and helps in tissue repair. And the tissues which get damaged, they can be repaired, or they can be repaired by the help of this areolar connective tissue. Found between skin. It is found, it is present between skin and muscles. It is present between skin and your muscles. That means your muscles and skin. If this is the muscle, and this is the skin, between them there is the areolar connective tissue. Around blood vessels, these are the blood vessels. Around the blood vessels it is found. And bone marrow, the substance which is present inside the bones, it is present. Areolar connective tissue is present around them. This areolar connective tissue, it has usually two types. Number one is tendons and ligaments. What does the tendon do? Tendons, they connect muscles to bones. Tendons connect muscles to bones. That means the muscles, they are connected to the bones with the help of the tissue that is known as tendon. It is less elastic. That means it is not elastic. We cannot make it or we cannot reshape it, and it cannot regain its shape. It is very less elastic. Fibrous tissue, having fibers with great strength. It is very strong. It is very, you might have seen in the butcher's the shop, that the butcher has to use lot of force to scratch the muscles from the bones. And more matrix, it is having more matrix in it. Next is ligament. What is ligament? Ligament, it connects bones to bones. The bone is the first bone, it is the second bone. These bones are connected with the help of these ligaments known as these tissues known as ligaments. It is elastic. The bones are elastic. These ligaments, they are elastic, so that the bones can be little bit they can be little bit made tensile, so that the bones, the movement occurs, has great strength. They are also having great strength and very less matrix. Due to the difference in the matrix, they become very elastic. That means they are elastic. Next is it is the areolar connective tissue, and then another is adipose connective tissue. Adipose connective tissue, it is found below the skin. Below the skin we have the adipose connective tissue, and between organs, different types of organs have between them the adipose tissue. What is adipose tissue? Actually, the tissue which stores fat. The tissue which stores fat, it is known as adipose tissue. The fat cells, the cells are filled with fat globules. The cells store fat inside them. They act like insulators. That means and shock absorbers. The fat tissue or the adipose tissue, They are insulators, and that means heat cannot pass through the fat, and shock absorbers. If somebody gets a shock, these the organs can be damaged without the adipose tissue, but the adipose tissue prevent our body delicate organs from the shock and in from heat. When anybody having temperature fever, our eyes, our different hot, it is prevented by these type of temperature with the adipose tissue, which is insulators and shock absorbers. If somebody is having accident, the delicate organs are prevented by the adipose tissues like kidneys, etc. And next is skeletal connective tissue. Skeletal, it is the third type of connective tissue. First is areolar, adipose, and now skeletal connective tissue. Skeletal connective tissue having two types. One is bone and cartilage. Bone, what is bone? Actually, bone forms the skeleton. Skeleton means which supports the body. Skeletal means which supports the body. Forms the skeleton that supports the body and anchors muscles. That means the bones, they are meant to attach the muscles. Non-flexible tissue. The bones are not flexible. We cannot bend the bones. They are hard, formed by bone cells. Bone cells are known as also chondrocytes. Chondrocytes. These chondrocytes, that means these bone cells or chondrocytes, they are embedded in the hard matrix. They are present in the matrix, which is hard and is made of calcium and phosphorus. That is why bones are made of calcium and phosphorus compounds. These bones, they attach the muscles so that it forms the skeletal tissue. Next is cartilage. What is cartilage? Cartilage is also hard tissue but softer than bones. The cartilage is softer than bones, and the matrix is solid, but it is more elastic than the bones due to the presence of chondrin. It is a protein which is present in the matrix of cartilage. Chondrin, chondrin, chondrin. It is the protein which is present in the matrix of cartilage. It smoothens bones at joints. It is present. Why? The chondrin, it is a protein which makes the elastic the cartilage. It smoothens bones at joints. That means it is present at the joints of bones. You might have seen at the joints of bones there is a cartilage, so that the two bone heads, while movement, they cannot harm each other, and it makes the frictionless. And found in nose, it is found in your nose, ears. Trachea means windpipe. Larynx means voice box. At your these vertebral column, between the bones of the vertebral column, different types of at the bone heads, it is the cartilage is found. Thank you. Have a nice day.